want to show these off to you. These are from Talented Kitchen. These are they're all caps labels for your spice jars. Here in our kitchen, we used to just get the little jars and we'd throw them in a cabinet, but we finally got something that's nice where we can put bulk spices into matching jars, but we want to make sure and label these because not everybody can know just by simply looking at a spice exactly what it is, and that's where these come in. There's a bunch of different labels on the market, but we picked out these from Talented Kitchen because they are bold. You can see them. They're very bold type. There's 134 different things that are labeled here, and we have pretty sizable jars, so these are going to fit and stand out. Now our jars are clear, so as long as the seasoning is filling up the jar, you're going to be able to read these pretty well. And when the seasoning gets low, I think it's going to be a little bit harder to see because the background of these are clear and it's got white lettering. But for us, that wasn't a huge deal breaker. Now, one of the things you do need to be aware of is when you've got, for instance, some of these longer named items, their label is thicker, so it's a 2-line label as opposed to a 1-line label. Like you got cayenne here and you got chicken blend, and so you need sizable jars in order to do this, or you need some that you can wrap around just on the corners, which is what we're going to attempt to do to make it look nice. Alongside of all of your typical spices, it does number, you have the numbers 1 through 6 on here, and a bunch of maybe some unusual things that you might not use, but they threw in there just in case. But overall, if you're looking for a great label set that's going to be able to label your spices, make them easy to read, keeping everything straight in order, check these out. They're made by Talented Kitchen. I think you're going to love them.